welcome to the Wolf, and I'm back again with a quick analysis today on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And our trade is going very well, as I told you, straight to the point, perfect analysis again. I hope you made some profits and all the loss is recovered from the earlier trades. And yeah, what's the next move? Well, let's get to the charts and also an update to the gold trade as well. Okay, so right now, first is Bitcoin. I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame chart. As I told you that if the price breaks this green box right here, very important level to the downside, also breaking down this white trend line, which it did in fact, both of them perfectly here. So right now, as we can clearly see, the price broke it with a high volume, this one right here. And so the initial target for Bitcoin is first this target right here at I can say approx $26,160, and the second target can be this blue box right here, blue zone, at approx I can say, taking the middle part of it, $25,330. But if you follow me on my Twitter, I already posted that jumping in a trade in a Bitcoin can be risky, but I am pretty sure on Ethereum, on the Ethereum setup, on the Ethereum's chart. So let me show you that. I am on the Ethereum daily time frame chart, and as you all know, Ethereum is in a falling wedge right now, or we can say falling parallel channel. We can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then the target was new lower high. Well, technically speaking, right now we can clearly see right here is a very important support for the Ethereum's price. And I told you all that the Ethereum will come down all the way down till here to complete its target and will meet the blue trend line. And we can clearly see it did in fact meet the blue trend line right now. And right now, if we clearly see, this is a very important support right here, this support. So what I'm thinking is that if you guys are in trade right now, it will be good to book 50 to 60% of the profits, and the rest trade can be running, because if the Ethereum's price breaks this channel to the downside, then it is very good, more profits. But if it gets reversal from up here, any candlestick reversal or any volume, any somehow if any confluence happens, then we can book the rest of the trade and we can get out of the Ethereum's trade. And yes guys, this is not financial advice, also do your own analysis. I'm just giving an advice on how to take trades and book partial profits and trail the rest of the trade. Now I'm on the gold's daily time frame chart, and if you look closely, there are two long positions on gold right now. One is entered here, one is entered here. If you have watched my previous gold analysis video, I told you guys that my smart audience already took a trade here, but those people who don't follow me on Twitter or those who are irregular, I still gave them a very good entry in the gold right here, and right now they are also making amazing profits right here. So let me zoom in to the 4-hour time frame and let me see, to all those traders who jumped early over here, as I also jumped here only, this is the move that we captured. Move full bullish move, as I told you all. So congratulations to all the traders who entered in a gold long position. I'm definitely sure everyone's making money right now. And right now, those traders who went long here also, they are also in a very good position right now, not risky at all and still making a lot of money. And just a quick update on gold, as we can clearly see, it is forming as an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, like this, going forward. Or we can say low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like this it is forming. The gold is meeting some resistance at some intervals, right here, right here, right here. But as I told you, or I'm pretty sure that the price of gold can go all the way up till here, this purple box of main resistance. Because if I switch back to the daily time frame, we can clearly see here is not much resistance, right here, not much resistance. But see right here, the price previously made this zone as a support right here, support right here, support right here, support right here. So now it will act as a resistance. And not only this, but let me show you one more thing. So if I draw a trend line like this, we can clearly see the gold's price is right now in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now a new lower high is already made right here. So now the price will try to go to the upside and to create a new lower high. This is the high, previous high. So the price will try to be below this price. So there are chances that the price can come all the way till here, meeting this trend line near our purple zone, that is our take profit zone right there. And then we can see either a reversal or a breakout. So that's why I'm pretty sure, and I'm still in my gold long position. Full 100% trade is right now running. I'm not booked any profits right now. So yeah, let's see what happens. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you understand that what's the Bitcoin price and where can it go, and the Ethereum trade, that was perfect, straight to the point. I hope you guys entered and also did your own analysis as well, and now you are managing your Ethereum trade. And congratulations to all of those traders who took a position on gold. Everyone's making money right now, easy money there. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to trade crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can do that on Bybit, link is in the description. And if you want to trade gold, commodities, Forex, silver, anything, US stocks, you can do that on Xness. It is a broker. Its link is also in the description below. And yes guys, this is it for today's video. I'll see you next time.